What's going on, everybody? I'm Zach, and welcome back to Hidden Oaks Homestead. We're hatching some chicks, and today is day 18, which means we're about to go into lockdown. Let me show you how we're gonna do that.
The first thing that we want to do is candle the eggs. And the cool thing about the Nurture Right 360 is that it has a LED light for candling right on the front. So it's already right here. I don't have to hunt down a flashlight. But we're going to candle them, and we're going to check for development and make sure that they're all viable eggs. We've been candling them here and there throughout this process, but just one more time. This will be the last time that we get to candle them before they hatch. And while we're candling them, we're going to mark the air sac in it so that we have a good idea about where the pipping is going to start whenever these little chicks are ready.
Why we go on lockdown on day 18 is to increase the humidity. Why we do that is to soften the membrane. Why we do that is to let them be able to break out of the eggshell. Why we put them on lockdown on day 18 is because day 21 is the magic day, but some chicks may break out early and some may break out later. So, we never know. Ooh, it's out! It's out! Our first egg to hatch was a silkie, followed by an Easter egger, followed by a whole bunch of Tolbans. First egg that hatched is almost 2 days old, and we still have 2 that still need to hatch. we need to move the older chicks out so that they can start eating and drinking. And we're going to leave the last 2 eggs in the incubator so that they can actually start hatching.
That's a tolbund. No.
Here we have a makeshift brooder that's actually a water tank. And right here we have their water so they can drink, their food so they can eat, and we have a heating pad so that, because they can't regulate their temperature, that regulates their temperature for them. Even though it's hot out there here, they still need a little bit of heat. And we put pine shavings at the bottom of this because they poop a lot, and we put it down there for easy cleanup. So the chicks are gonna stay in there until they're fully feathered out, and once that's happened, they're gonna move into their new apartment. Guys, wish me luck on the last 2 eggs, and I will see you in the next video.